So today we have a 2011 GMC Sierra. It's got the 5.3 in it. Customer came in, said that he had a knock. This is his old previously lifter that was in there that they changed out because it failed. And I was like, sorry boss, the last mechanic, he didn't tell you that your cam lobe was gone. So you're probably gonna need a new lifter and a cam. So we're gonna tear it down. Got Mr. Andrew on that mofo like that.
Hey.
Hey. We already put the lubricant on the exhaust manifold bolts, so it won't give us no problem pulling them out. So we'll get back with you. Right now he's done bolting the intake manifold. I already disconnected the fuel lines, coil packs. Yep. 5. Taking out the coil packs. Next, number 10 millimeters bolts. I think you have usually about 5 screws, 6 screws
on each side.
And then your valve covers are 8 millimeters. Also for the intake manifold, 8 millimeters. Everything else is
10,
15 or 13s on this whole motor, pretty much.
They're usually built by 10 millimeters all around too.
10 millimeters, yeah, most of them are 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 13s, and 15s.
But it's crazy how 10 millimeter bolt just holds up your engine, huh?
All right. Well,
let's get it. All right, Carl, look, put this one and these screws on the bottom.
What are you doing over there, Howard?
Put them on the bottom.
He gets all shy.
Don't get shot now, Carl.
He's not trying to duck the camera.
It's just a.
He's like, oh, hell no. This dude's going live. Look at me.
I think that's a fix.
I want to be on camera.
Why not? Why the fuck not?
Yeah, Carl, why don't you want to be on camera?
Where's that fucking 15 minute?
Alright, we'll get back at you. So pull the rocker arm. Alright, pull the push rods. Cylinder 6. Look at that, bent push rod. Yeah, and they're supposed to be straight like this. I had a feeling it was gonna be like that.
Look at the difference.
This. Grab the lifter. Because of that, I knew it was bent. Clean it all up.
New 5.3 GMC, 2011. Lifter and cam replacement. Stay tuned. It's an old lifter.
customer brought it to us after they replaced this lifter, and we told them that, did they replace the cam? They were like, nope. I was like, well, most definitely, that's your problem. You need to replace your cam when you see a lifter like this. And as soon as we tore it apart, bent rod.
Yep. Well, as you can see, we got it torn apart already. But we're ready to take out that cam. Stay tuned. So a little tip on these 2011s, 2008s and up.
With the active fuel management.
They have two different types of lifters.
The spring lifters.
The spring lifters
are in the middle. 4 in the middle.
2 and 2. And then the regular lifters are on the outside. 2 and 2. Total of 8 lifters on each side.
Don't have the rights to the music. As it idles, it sits low. You hit the gas a little bit. It does fluctuate, but we like to see the lowest at least 40, but it does work. I've seen lower. Been running good for about 45 minutes, no problem. Huh? 2011 GMC Sierra came in because it had a faulty lifter replaced at one time, and then they didn't replace the camshaft, so they brought it over here. We thought it was a rod knock at first, and I looked at the old lifter and we found out that they didn't replace the cam, so we knew what the problem was. So we got them to replace the lifter again in the camshaft. Okay. There's the results. My boy Andrew, main one that did the work on here. Carl, the tool guy. Let me show you the camshaft. Camshaft. 8 down right here. The top of this lobe is no good. Kind of bent push rod. The old lifter. Once left of the lifter. It's Yes, sir. New camshaft, new lifter. We're back on the road. Thanks for watching.